What is going on, you guys? It's Aviation400 here, and I'm back with another awesome model review. This is a model that I've been actually wanting for a while. Actually, I've always wanted a Qatar Airways model, and now I finally have it thanks to Waffle Collectibles. So this is a really awesome model. So I have the top one, of course. This is actually Aviation400, Qatar Airways. Airbus a350-1000, sorry, not 900. So yeah, so of course there's two. This is in case you don't know about Aviation400, I could be wrong, but what I know is that what I actually heard in many places, I forgot, I think Airliners Net, some places, and like from there. But they said Aviation somewhere, I don't know where I saw, but they said Aviation400 is the same exact brand as In-Flight 200. It's just their 400 version. And then for 500 scale, it's In-Flight 500. So In-Flight 500, In-Flight 200, and Aviation400 are all the same. They're all the same. The same company. So just, I don't know why they go under different names, but not a big deal. But yeah, that's what this is, which is my first one, which is awesome. So yeah, just by the box, of course, there's the Oryx, Qatar. Now I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it Qatar, or Qatar? I'm not sure how to pronounce it. The two ways, I actually pronounce it two ways. Sometimes I do Qatar, times I do Qatar. Most of the time I do Qatar, but sometimes I do Qatar because I like actually saying it like that. It actually sounds really good. But yeah, those are my two preferable ways of saying. Just to keep it simple, I'll just say Qatar. But that's the two ways I pronounce it. And then this is One World. This is normal. Of course, I have the normal one. I just don't like the One World the way it looks. It's like white, but then there's gray. It just looks strange. But yeah, so yeah, let's get started in the back. Of course, it's a white box with just the Oryx. Pause and read this stuff if you'd like. I think it says recycling. That looks like German. I could be wrong. I'm not sure if Aviation400 could be a German company, but I'm not sure. Yeah, and if you don't know about Qatar, the Oryx is actually Qatar's a national animal. So this is the other model. Very nice. Then we have, I guess, some stuff there. Then this one is ticked. That's mine. And yeah, it's a very nice model. So let's get unboxing. Aviation400 logo is nowhere in the box, so it's quite odd. But yeah, sometimes in boxes do that. All right. So let's get started. I'm very excited for this. It's my first Qatar model. I really like Qatar's livery and just the airline itself. It's a 5-star airline, which is really impressive. Yeah. So then here we have the cockpit windows, windshield wipers. There's the static board. I guess those are P2. Yeah, those are P2. Sorry. Some markings there in the front right there. You see those two lines. One World logo, Qatar titles, NF, part of the registration on the nose gear door, L1 entry door. Yeah. Also, guys, my model didn't come with the stand. I'm not sure if all of the models do that, but mine didn't. It's not a big deal because I actually never put my models on the stands, but that would have been cool if I got it. Then we have, Qatar titles, L1, L2 door, runway light. Then we have the very nice Rolls-Royce Trent, I think Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines, very nice. Qatar Airways logo. Then we have red navigation light, the maroon colored winglet. Oh yeah, the Arabic writing. I'm not sure what that says. It might say Qatar or Qatar Airways, or I'm not fully sure what that says, but yeah. Then we have the L3 door, and then we have the Qatari flag, registration Alpha 7-Alpha November Foxtrot, and then we have the Qatar Airways logo, the nice oryx. Then we have which is their national animal. I think I said that earlier. APU exhaust, very nice stabilizers. Looks level. Yeah, very nice. Oh, I probably didn't show you. I'll quickly go over this. Side, it's green light, and this is the. Oh, this is bad. Cargo doors. It's such a simple word that I just forget it. It's not even funny. All right, so you guys see that on the top? That's actually like some kind of. That's the beacon light. It's like some kind of jewel or something. You can see here. I'm gonna put it upwards. So you can see it's like very shiny or something. That's actually really cool. I've seen it in videos and stuff, and it was like, wow, that's awesome. But just seeing it in person, it's just amazing. That's really cool. That's something I've never seen before on any models, or yeah, on any airline brand or aircraft model brand. Wow, that's awesome. If any model could do that, if more brands could do that, that would be awesome. This is probably Aviation400's signature thing. That's really awesome. First Aviation400 model. Very impressed. Then there is that marking. I think that could be the SETCOM. Yeah, that might be SETCOM. Antenna. Flap slats, ailerons, spoilers, no step markings, fuel dump valve here. Same stuff on this side. Fuel on inside. Yeah, fuel dump right there, and then the inside of the wing it's gray, but it has the Qatar logo instead of maroon coloring. Wi-Fi box, antenna. Yeah, the antenna right there. And yeah, also that awesome beacon. You can see it shines. It's awesome. It's actually like a gem or something. Really cool. Tail illumination lights. Very nice. Then we have on the bottom, also another surprise. Nose gear door. Some yellow lights right there. Antennas. Qatar's titles. Then there's the red anti-collision light, which is also 3D on the bottom. I don't think you can see it. Like I can't really show it because the camera is so close, but you can kind of see it's like it's shining. It like gleams a little bit. It's really cool. Bottom of the wings, registration there. Yep, very nice pivoting landing gear. Aviation400 logo, antenna, and then the EPU housing doors. I'm not sure what that square is. All right, wow, just wow. For Aviation400 this is my first model, and I'm already impressed. I should probably pick up some more. Unfortunately, there's nothing else I find interesting, but yeah, once I saw this Qatar, I quickly picked it up because I've wanted a Qatar model like for so long, and then it's great to have it in my collection. Yeah, it's just wow. I'm actually really speechless right now. Like these beacon lights, like to put glue there and then just carefully place it there. It's got a lot. That's really awesome. That how hard they work on this model to make it what it is. So yeah, so the landing gear do roll not too nicely. The landing gear do pivot here and there. It does pivot a bit too much. It should be like right there. But yeah, that's not a big deal. That's just a cool feature that they do pivot. But yeah, that should be for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, and share if you're new. Put in the comments below what you think of this model. Put in the comments below if you want it. I really have no idea where to get this anymore. I think it's completely sold out from Waffle. I got this a while back now. Not that long ago, but I just got it like not too long ago. So yeah, that should be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.